This is the Melitta Caffeo Barista TS6679149 machine that I won on a competition from AO on the condition that I do a review. It only took a couple of days to come, so it came very quickly. Very easy to get out, plug in. A little bit complicated to learn how to use, however it's worth persevering because it makes awesome coffee. It's got a 1.8 litre water tank around the side here, it just lifts out, it slots back in very easily. It takes two different kinds of beans and you can choose which bean you want to make your cup of coffee with. The beans go in there. And your little milk container at the side. When I've finished with this, I just take that out and pop it in the fridge. It makes 18 different kinds of coffee, some of which I've never even heard of. And it's got a memory, so it remembers how you like your choices, so that it will always make them like that if you program that in. You can change the strength of your coffee, you can adjust the volume depending on the size of your cup, you can change how finely ground your coffee beans are, and you can also put ground coffee in it. So I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to make a latte. So first of all, we turn it on. As you can see, it's already set up. So good evening. The first thing it does when you turn it on is it heats up. As you can see. It doesn't take very long. It then just does a quick rinse, which is why I've got this little cup here. So it does sometimes expel some water. And then it's ready to make your drink. So I'll put my cup under here. This goes up and down depending on the height of your cup. And we're going to choose a latte, which is that one. I'm going to adjust the strength of it. My fella doesn't like it very strong. I'm going to increase the volume of it because it's quite a tall cup. It tells you here how much that is going to be. 185 milk, 120 coffee. And I'm going to overflow it. It is a little bit noisy when it's finding the beans and doing some of the processes, but it's nothing you can't live with. As you can see, I didn't get my calculations quite right. But that is a perfect latte. Following making the drink, the machine has a self-clean function. As you can see here, it's asking you if you want to clean it. You just take out the tube from the milk dispenser, plug it in there, pop a cup underneath, press OK. And that just gives it a quick clean through. Again, a little bit noisy during that. And that's how you make a drink. To turn it off, again, button on the side, and it then goes through another rinsing process, which doesn't take very long. And that's it. It does more or less everything for you. It grinds the beans, heats the milk up, froths the milk, makes the drink, cleans itself. It tells you when the water tank needs emptying, it tells you when the drip tray needs emptying, it tells you when the beans need filling up. It does absolutely everything. The only thing it doesn't do is put your sprinkles on the top. It's quite deep, but otherwise not really that big. And to be quite honest, it's the best bit of kit I've ever had.